Here's what I've been working on today. It's getting ready to rain, so I'm gonna have to pack it in. Just a little test fit. Got a little more work to do on the front firewall so I can get the heater channel over a little more to match the pan holes. That was fun, trying to dig that old. Here it is right here. Dig the old front of this out of there. So just a quick test fit. Pretty happy so far. A couple more, I'm gonna trim up there. Trim all that bad metal off the A-pillar. This is out of adjustment. This is, I mean, well, really, who really knows where what that even attaches to? But we'll get there. I gotta get the cross braces, get those in there. So I'm not positive these pans and channels are gonna stay in this car. I might order some new ones. We'll see. I'm not sure these are correct, but I just wanted to get them in there, get a sense of moving forward. That's the update on the 58. So that's probably as far as I'm going to be going with this car in this driveway. I have to get this thing in the garage because right now, what's it doing? It's starting to rain. So I got to get this thing inside so I'm not flash rusting everything I'm doing. So that is the plan. Get this over to the garage. So let's try this auto sole, however you say it, this polish. You guys, a lot of you guys were telling me to try, so I did pick some up a while ago. I'm gonna try it on these wheels, these rims, see if we can get these cleaned up. I put these on the 58. I had a leaky front, so I just decided, you know what, these are just rotting away in the back corner on the 56 chassis, so let's throw them on the bug and at least I don't have to air them up. So let's see how we can get these cleaned up by hand. I imagine a small buffer wheel would be awesome with this stuff, but we'll give it a little elbow grease. If you've never polished before, usually depending on what you're polishing, it could look worse before it gets better. Looks pretty good. I don't usually polish this type of surface. I like polishing chrome. This stuff's, you know, just gotta really really buff it a lot. Takes a lot of towels too, but you can see the difference in that wheel. And then we'll go to the rear wheel. So we don't want them too shiny. Well, that's gonna wrap it up. What do you guys think about the rims? I dig them. I will tell you this car used to talk to me. You guys ask why am I working on this car in as bad shape as it is, where this car would really talk to me. And now, with the rims on there, this car just screams at me, yells at me, says, let's go, keep going, let's do this. Alright guys, so that's going to wrap it up for me. Thank you again for all the comments, likes, and subscribers. Can't say thank you enough. Special shout out to VW Nut and Musty One for their support and help on this project. So thank you all, and you guys have a great night, day. I'm pumped. Take care, guys.